Gonna get a startup on the Demon 170. Ooh. Yeah, guys. Startup Demon 170, absolutely insane. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fresh Roots Exotic Cars. On this channel, we talk everything cars, guys. We're talking reviews, insights, adventures, and we're over here at the Dodge dealership in Hemet, California. There's my AMG right there behind us. Just wanted to come down here. It's local to me, and I just kind of been getting a lot of Dodge content, and I kind of got like interested in like Hellcats and the Demons, especially the new Demon 170. I heard that they have one in there, so I wanted to kind of come check one out since it's literally right down the road from me. I see a pair of Durango Hellcats right there, and I do see a Demon inside. I don't know if it's a Demon 170 or not, but take a look at their dealership. I mean, they got a lot of cars, guys. I see a Sublime right over here. I'm just, like I said, I'm just getting into the Dodges, so I'm not like super familiar with them or anything, but I do know the colors and stuff, and I know that this is called the Sublime. They got a pair of them right here. Let's go check these out. Yeah, guys, so these are a couple pair of GT black tops. These are pretty sweet in Sublime. I like the color, obviously. I'm biased. I got my acid green AMG right over there. Got a couple 392 SRTs right here, a pair of them. Tell me which color you guys are choosing. I'm choosing this black and yellow spec right over there. Bunch of Jeeps from what I can see. Pretty sweet. I mean, I've always been a fan of Dodge. I got to be honest with you. You know, I was a huge fan of the Viper back in the day, and you can't deny these Hellcats. So, I mean, look at this. A pair of SRT Hellcat Dodge Durangos. Check out the hood. I mean, that is sick. These are sick, guys. Let's hop inside and see what we can't find. Make sure they're all cool with filming. Hey, what's up, dude? Cool to film a little YouTube video? Cool to film around in here? All right, yeah.
Within reason.
Huh?
Within reason.
Within reason. Yeah, no, I mean, totally respect. I got a little YouTube channel, man. Here's my card, you know? I do YouTube stuff. Usually like exotic cars, but I've been like, huh?
Good morning, my name is Gary.
Good morning,
Let me know
AJ.
if there's any questions I can answer.
Yeah, I'm super interested, to be honest with you, in the Demon. Do you have a 170 here?
We have 3 left.
3 left, and they're here?
That one, the white one, and this one. And
Sweet.
a pre-owned one.
Sweet. You have a pre-owned one already. Someone's already doesn't want it?
No, they traded me
For what?
for a new one.
Oh, nice. They just didn't like their spec or something?
No, it's just a dude came in.
Wanted a
traded
different...
in his a little bit older one for a brand new one.
That's what I'm talking about, man. That's like something I would do. I like that. That's cool, man. These things are insane. So thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, so these are absolutely insane. So they got 3 of them left. They are the 170s. I mean, like I said, I saw that DeMiro episode. Wow, this is gnarly. Wow, look at the cold air intake on there. Just look at the size of it. It's absolutely massive. I mean, I have a pair of these on my AMG, but they're not this big. Absolutely insane, guys. Check it out. Got this red one. It's like a maroon. It's almost like a Merlot. Damn, this is cool, guys. Check this one out in the white. Dodge Demon 170. You can tell it's the 170 by the little yellow in the eyes right there. Corn-fed, guys. Absolute madness. I wonder what they're at. Got the green belt right here. I've been learning all about it, guys. So that green belt is kind of a Demon thing. When people upgrade their Hellcats, they end up getting like the green belt catch cans, couple of other little things on their cars to kind of bring them up to Demon power, but nothing like this. I mean, this produces over 1,000 horsepower from factory, guys. What a monster. Check that out. Let's get some cool shots of it, guys. Factory wide body. I mean, look at the size of these tires back here. Oh my God, those are insane. But I mean, if you're gonna be putting down over 1,000 horsepower, you need tires like that. This is madness. I wanna say these are, I mean, just guessing, I think these are like 200, 300 grand. Wow. Wow, absolute madness. Guys, check out this red one, Merlot. I'm gonna call it Merlot. I don't even care what the actual paint spec is. Ooh, you got the T-Rex right here. These are super cool too. I would not mind owning one of these, guys. These are absolute monsters. I want to say they're over 700 horsepower from factory. Look at that. Yeah, I'm kind of interested on the price on this thing too. Let's just go check out these other. Oh my, look at that. Another white one. I'm taking the Merlot, guys, if I had to choose one. Dodge Demon 170. Oh, I thought, for some reason, I thought they were like 300.
33. That one's a used. That's got like 6,000 miles on it. Most expensive one with the one-seater, the driver's seat only.
Are
no
those like the
passenger, no
300?
back seat.
Yeah, those like the $300,000 ones?
No, two.
Two? Ah, I'm tripping
There's
out.
another one.
Maybe I saw one somewhere else and they were asking like something, I think it was like they don't want to sell it price or something. I mean, for 150, this is absolute madness, dude. I mean, over 1,000 horsepower from factory, and this is it. It's done. Oh, so what are you thinking about these new EVs, man?
Huh?
With the speaker.
Nobody interested in them. Nobody looks in them. They only look in them.
So I'm worried. I'm like worried about it.
They see the price and then they forget it, man.
These T-Rexes are insane too, man. 700 horsepower.
Yeah, it's 7.4,
Oh my gosh.
6.4, I think.
The supercharged 6.2. Supercharged 6.2. I mean, over 700 horsepower in a pickup is madness. I want one of these.
Most expensive one went first.
The T-Rex or no? The Demon?
Seat, no back seat.
And it has the like a roll cage in the back, huh? No?
No. The only driver's seat. That went for
Like two something?
230.
Yeah. And that's the used one right there, or pre-owned?
Used one, yeah, it's got 6,000 miles on it.
Oh wow, so they drove it a bit. Man, look at this, the black one. Guys, which one are you taking? You take, well, honestly, what color are you taking? You taking the black, the white, are both the whites the same?
There, man, the black gets dusty too fast.
I like that red one.
I wiped this down yesterday before I left.
Yeah, black's hard to keep clean. I like that Merlot. I call it Merlot right there, that wine.
one?
Yeah, that thing's crazy, dude. But the
Yeah.
black is sinister. Oh my God, with the red badge.
We gotta clear these cars out to bring the TRX in there. Yeah, I shoot down to the stop sign on this side, and I got a 2-lane highway here, man, and back then gets real slow.
Oh my gosh, I want one of these so bad. What's this one going for?
It's huge.
Like 100 maybe?
142. Damn. That was more than this one. That one's got barely 80 miles on. This got 6,000 miles on.
This one's like brand new, 130. It's because it's a higher spec or something?
Yeah, this one's huge. It's got 26,000.
I wonder why it's more. Man, they do they do one of these for 100. They do this one for 100 for me.
Oh, they bought it for 100 and something. 100. They bought it
I mean,
for
that is
100.
weird. That one's 133
Yeah, 133.
and 140 something. Maybe because it's got more specs. It's got something more on it. It has to.
Yeah, it's huge.
They're not lowering the prices on. Hey, how come he doesn't have the yellow eye? Is this a 170? It is. It has to be a 170, right? How come his eye isn't yellow? Huh?
392. Hellcat. Just the thing is, it has intake and the Demon sign on the engine.
It's wild. These are wild. I really like the Durango Hellcats too, dude. Those are so sweet.
Yeah, 392. There's two of them right there.
Yeah, these two, the two 392 ones. Yep, SRT. Those.
That's why they keep it close to the window. The door, man, they don't want anybody to put miles on it.
Yeah.
But me, I take it off. I'm a co-owner.
Yeah, you gotta. I mean, you gotta.
I'm a co-owner worker.
You are? Oh, sweet, dude. Yeah, get me a deal on this bad boy. Yeah. Give me this one for 100. I'll buy it.